has taken 52 wickets.
But the most important thing is ball wicket to wicket. India won the toss, chose to field first. Assess the conditions.
Straight up. Goes short. And Hoyt
This is too short, too much time for the batter.
goes fast as a double bluff and picked up beautifully by Habibur. Picked it up.
Shot. Habibur Rahman pumps it over long on. In his arc, over it goes.
Slower delivery, picked up really well down the ground.
Stoic. Rising stars and raises his bat once more. In front of an expectant crowd, he has lived up to expectations.
Sharma and Gurjab need to get in the tactics right. It's a big wicket, the prize wicket of Habibur Rahman.
Everything towards leg side. Bangladesh losing their sixth. 100
And it's another six. Third six of the over. Short, set up, and Mehrab give the full Monty towards it. Full toss. Short finding in place, evades him, and should be a boundary. Reverse it again, make it another maximum. 4 sixes, a boundary of the 19th over by Namandir. Short fine leg, short square leg in place. Yasir Ali walks toward the offside and scoops it over for a boundary. India A to have a good chance of winning this game. I just have this feeling Sooryavanshi got to play one of those special knocks that where he's capable.
Partner at the other end, Priyansh Arya, also a capable batter, 200s as well for him. Ripan Mondal, the man in form, the highest wicket taker for Bangladesh A in this tournament. We're all set for the chase here. India A versus Bangladesh A. Game on. Here comes Ripan Mondal. Goes for it right away. Vaibhav Sooryavanshi gets off the mark. Not the most convincing manner, but India A are off the mark.
He's gone for it. That should be a six. Right from the meat of the blade. Sweet timer. Vaibhav, intentions are clear. He's going to back himself.
Goes for it again. Came big on him, but no matter. Vaibhav Sooryavanshi is on song. India are off to a flying start.
That's not the length Ripan would want to bowl. His captain's just gone up to him.
Goes for that fuller one, but Vaibhav Sooryavanshi says thank you very much, finds the gap. This time the connection was good and the result even sweeter. In high stakes cricket, clarity is the most valuable currency here.
But he's trying to prove something here. Another big one. What a hit.
Goes up and over. Oh, what a shot. That is a cracking stroke from Priyansh Arya. All the way for maximum. Gives it a charge. Priyansh Arya taking on Jishan Alam. Back-to-back sixes. Abdul Ghaffar Saklan greeted with the boundary of the first ball from Vaibhav Sooryavanshi, and that brings up the team 50. That's the fastest team 50 of this edition of DP World Rising Stars Asia Cup. Came just of 19 deliveries.
Clip towards square leg, that's catching practice. Namandir perishes. Short is by Mehrab, who comes in as a change once more. Oh, almost there. Once more for Yasir. It's one of those conundrums. Do I go for the catch? Do I save the boundary? He took the risk.
These sort of chances are always difficult. Running forward, yeah, he was very close to it.
On who can just be a mere spectator.
The line and the length both in the favor of the batter, who does a brilliant job.
That's a good comeback delivery, but where? 98 for 3.
Coming from it. Oh, that kept low. Gives it a charge right away. Jitesh takes on Abu Haider. Down the ground, downtown, 6 of the first ball.
What a start to the over from Jitesh Sharma.
First 2 balls. Oh, that sounded good. Oh, was that a drop catch? Straight to the fielder. Oh, Jitesh survives again.
Now that was hit firmly. That was hit firmly. Should have been taken.
It's from Akbar Ali.
Off the mark. Straight away with a classical back foot punch all around the ground. Shot. Oh, extra cover. Just evaded it. Ramandeep, what a shot under pressure. In the gap, goes for a boundary. Smart batting by Ramandeep. He knew the third man fielder was in the circle. Placement was key. Got it perfectly. Down the leg side, fine leg in the circle. Poor delivery to finish off the 18th over. 10 runs from it. Full toss, straight up in the air. Akbar Ali says mine. Oh, he drops it. Delivery. Ashutosh swings it. And finds the fielder at mid-wicket. Make it 15 of 5. It is outside the off stump. No time by Neil Vadera. Make it 2 runs in 2 deliveries. 14 of 4. Shot. Long on in. That was shot and a half. Ashutosh. He made a name for himself as a finisher. And he pumped it over long on.
And look at those boys there.
Long off field lane plays. And he drops it and goes for a 4. Oh, rubbing salt. Yorker, right on the money. Rakibul Hasan is not going to turn the ball. He's going to bowl it quick. And Ashutosh Sharma trying to pump it straight down the ground. Misses it. Hearts in the hands or the mouths, whatever it is. This is going to be a very big delivery. In the slot. Harsh Dubey misses it. And the long on fielder breaks it. Coming back for the second run. Oh! No! A super over! Akbar Ali, what have you done? Just had to be sensible. Keep the ball in your hand. Take the bails off. Would have given a victory to Bangladesh. Nevertheless, going for the stumps, missing it. Extra run. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are going in for a super over.
194 each. Winner will be decided by super over. You wanted it.
I wanted it badly and I have it. Winner will be decided by super over. That's the confirmation. Looks like Jitesh Sharma, the captain, taking responsibility along with Ramandeep.
And that's a bit of a surprise to me. Vaibhav Suryavanshi not coming into bat.
Just reminding all our viewers, 2 wickets in the super over. That's it. Here comes the first ball. Yorker straight away. Jitesh Sharma trying to be cute. Ripon Mandal, middle stump, bullseye.
Well bowled. That's Yorker number 7 in a row. That 19th over we were talking about. He bowled them 6 Yorkers. Jitesh Sharma has to go back for a duck. 0 for 1. India A.
Ripon Mandal comes again. Yorker again, short extra cover, back pedals and takes it. 2 in 2. Ripon Mandal, his good competition goes on. He had no choice, he had to go for a big one, but the length was good. Under pressure, takes it easy at extra cover.
Wrong choices by India A.
It's going to be Yasir Ali taking on the strike against Suyash Sharma. And he's going to operate with a leg slip in place. Watch out for the googly Yasir Ali. 2 fielders outside circle is at deep mid wicket and long on. Googly straight away. Long on, fielder in place. And he takes it. Ramandeep Singh. He's about 10 to 15 feet in front of the boundary rope.
But I have a feeling he was well in control.
This is totally fine. Ramandeep Singh had everything under control. And the dreaded finger goes out. Yasir Ali, very first delivery, trying to go for the glory hit over mid-wicket. He's dismissed. Oh, down the next side.